do you think these burgers and fries are real or fake? Well, watch the video to find out.
Ooh, it looks awful yummy. Waffles, do you think it's real or fake? Real or fake, Waffles? You're licking your lips like it's real.
First day working at my new slime hamburger job. I'm waiting for my first order.
Assistant, I'll be your first order. I need you to make me...
Wait. Name?
Mr. Engineer.
Oh, okay.
I need a cheeseburger
Oh.
and fries. And
What do you want on your burger?
I need lettuce, cheese, onions, maybe some pickles.
All of it?
Yeah.
All? Okay.
And then fries and ketchup.
Fries.
And a little ketchup and mustard, of course, too.
Okay, mustard. Got it. Now, since it's my first day on the job, I don't exactly have all these ingredients yet, so you might have to wait while I go shopping.
I'll follow you while you go get them, okay?
Okay, I gotta take my order sheet with me, that way I know what we have to grab.
Okay. Oh, so we got to go into the back part of the store?
Yes, this is where only employees are allowed to go, but since you're my first customer ever, I guess you're allowed to.
Oh, it's dark back here. Okay. Oh.
Oh, we have to go to the farmer's market, and then we can look at there.
Okay, so here's the farmer's market.
You don't want, well, you need potatoes for your fries, right?
I do.
Oh, my shopping basket.
Oh, there's Waffles. Waffles.
That's not what we're looking for, though. We're looking for the slime exclusive stuff.
Okay.
Strawberries, no. Donuts, no. Oh, pickles. That looks like something you want.
Yep, pickles.
Oh, and then farm fresh lettuce, tomato, and onion. Perfect.
Oh yeah, you know I wanted tomatoes on it too.
So you got, I didn't write that down, but we'll put it on
We'll
there.
remember that. Okay.
Let's see, anything over here that you might want?
You need to check out.
Oh. Okay. Looks like nothing you asked for is in there. I guess I'll check myself out.
It's self-checkout. It's the way of the future.
Okay. So many different credit cards to choose from. I have 3 different.
But remember, even if you use a credit card, you still have to pay the money, don't you? It's not free money.
No.
Wait a minute, Waffles, you're hiding back there, Waffles. Did anyone see Waffles? She's right there.
Okay. $12.30. Looks like we'll swipe. Okay, perfect.
So at the end of the month, they'll send you a bill for $12.30, and you'll have to pay it.
Yep, okay.
You use a credit card.
Packed away, got your order sheet. But we still need the beef. We still need cheese. We still need the fries. We still need the ketchup. We still need the mustard.
Okay, so let's keep shopping. Okay. Well, we're even going further back into the employees only.
Put the freezer area.
Okay,
No,
freezer.
this way maybe. Oh wait. Oh, perfect. This is just what we needed. Okay.
Oh, you're right. There's some fries.
Oh, the bun, of course. I almost forgot about that.
Yeah, I need a bun for my hamburger system.
Okay.
What were you thinking?
Ketchup, mustard, goes in there. Fries. We might need another bag. This is getting kind of full. The bun. Oh.
And this is all made out of slime, right?
Yes. And then down here, the meat and the cheese. Is that everything? I think that's everything.
I think so. Oh, look, it says ground beef.
So now I need to cook your order.
So what do they call a cow laying down?
Lean beef.
No,
It's with-
ground beef.
Oh. The cow with 2 legs is lean beef.
That's a joke you can use for the first day of school. What do you call a cow that's laying on the ground? Ground beef.
Okay.
Isn't that funny?
Now I have to cook your order.
That's what you get with the engineering family. You get all these fun, happy jokes.
Here's all of my stuff. Here's your order card, of course. Oh, you gotta move those. Vegetables, your fries, ketchup, mustard, and pickles. Okay, so now you gotta start cooking.
Okay, so let's look. So here are the cool ingredients. Those will go on last, right?
Yes, but we need to cook the meat first.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, I thought that was, this is the meat.
So let's open up the meat, the ground beef, or maybe it's a vegetarian option.
Mmm.
It matches your shirt.
Okay. First, I'm gonna start by chopping it up.
Okay.
Okay, maybe I'll use my hands. Oh wow!
Oh yeah. Look, so like when you're making it, it like turns brown, huh?
Yeah, so it's getting cooked.
Oh.
We gotta make you. How do you want your burger? Well done, medium
I would
well?
like my hamburger to be well done.
Okay, sounds good. I was wondering how it's gonna change colors.
Look at that. That's pretty cool though, huh?
So well done means there's no red left.
That's right. And here's a bun. Let me see that. Let's look at that hamburger patty. What, does it smell like a hamburger?
No.
Not really. Okay. Oh, that's good. I really wouldn't want. Hey, look, we've got a little basket for it all to go
Is
into.
this a good color?
I think so.
Okay, so now what we gotta do, we gotta cook it, kinda. Gotta roll it up into a ball.
I'll make some sounds like it's cooking.
Okay, it's going on the pan. Squish it.
Kind of working.
Okay, so now we'll set that aside.
Okay.
And we need to open up our bun, right? We're gonna assemble it on this plate right here.
Okay. Then you're gonna transfer it to the basket.
Yeah. All about presentation here.
It really is about presentation.
Hold on. Gotta open it.
Got to keep that bun fresh.
Yep. This actually does have a smell to it.
Oh, it does? Does it smell like
It
penicillin?
smells like cupcakes.
What?
It's stuck in there.
Yeah, I
But
can.
this just means the bun's really fresh.
Oh yeah, look at that.
See it? We'll pull it apart that way.
Ooh,
Bottom part and then the top part. It's kind of heavy.
it really does smell like
Cupcakes.
cupcakes. So this is this a bun or is it a hat?
It's a bun. That's the bottom part, and it looks like our burger is ready.
Oh, so people, do you see these?
Oh,
We're gonna hold it close so that the camera focuses on it. Ooh, look at that side. Hey, you're touching my food!
I gotta make sure it's perfect. Okay, place this down. You can put that over
Okay.
there. Putting the patty on.
Oh,
So now we gotta decorate it. But first, we need to fry the fries.
Oh yeah, get those fries.
We have to make sure they're nice and crispy, so I'll put them in here where they can fry for a bit. Okay, putting that off to the side while we wait.
That sound of is actually me.
Frying, okay.
So here, oh, look at these fries.
Oh my gosh, I forgot a crucial step
What?
before
Making
frying.
fries?
Do you think they're fried up good?
I think so. I think they're
Because
fine.
I forgot you have to melt the cheese onto the burger first.
Oh, cool.
Okay, fries are done. Okay, so our fries are nice and crispy now, and now I gotta remove the patty from your burger. I'm sorry.
Oh, there's the fries. Look at those.
Put it back on the stove, and we gotta open up our cheese.
Oh yeah, you gotta cheese it, right? You gotta cheese
Yeah,
your.
we
You
have
gotta
to
cheese.
make sure.
Some
that-
people put the cheese on the hamburger when it's grilling. Other people put it on a warm bun, then put the hamburger bun patty on.
Interesting tactics.
Yes.
Okay, this cheese is looking.
Does it smell like
interesting.
cheese?
It smells like cupcakes.
That's some weird cheese. You know what you got? You can't do though,
Got
right?
some runny cheese here.
Just don't cut it. You don't want to cut the cheese.
Okay, it's frying on there.
Okay.
This
Okay.
cheese,
Maybe fold it over. There you go.
like that.
Yeah, I love it when people touch my food with their bare
It's
fingers.
Slime. It's slime.
They're my slime food.
Okay. Cheese is on there, nice and melted, kinda.
But should we add some ketchup and mustard?
That's the final step. We're getting there. You gotta let the chef do his work.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Now we have to add the vegetables.
Okay.
Right? So we're gonna open this up, what we got from the mark. Oh,
Did you open it? Did you hurt yourself?
it's stuck on my hand.
We don't want injuries.
Oh my goodness. I can't get this open. Oh, perfect. Okay.
So let's look at each individual item. So
Admire them.
Yeah. So even though this is slime, obviously you can't eat it. It is nice if you put veggies on your hamburger
Onions.
because it gives you a little healthy thing. So this is red onion.
This
It
is
is-
so cool.
Actually, it has a kind of a cool texture to it. It doesn't feel like a real onion, but lettuce. It's kind of like. Wait. Peekaboo. So there's the lettuce. Let me see the tomato. Do you call it tomato or tomato, people?
Tomato.
Yeah, me too. Ooh, it looks like a wheel. Like
Wow.
the wheels on the bus.
My favorite one of these three is the onion.
The onion looks way cool.
And then I don't know, the lettuce looks kind of realistic too. So, what order would you like these to be put on?
I would like the pickles to go on first.
What? Okay. They don't smell. They smell. I mean, they don't smell like cupcakes. That's for sure. Okay, let's place your pickles on there.
Placing the
They
pickle.
kind of look like ruffle fries.
Pickle placement is proper. Proper pickle placement is a priority. Say that fast. Proper pickle placement is priority. Assistant.
Proper pickle placement's priority.
Yes.
Okay. Now, do you want your onion, your lettuce?
I think so. I want to break up the colors.
Okay. Onion, then lettuce.
Lettuce.
Wait. Gotta make sure it looks good. Tomato. And then you need, oh my goodness, look how tall this thing's
Whoa,
getting.
that is a big old burger.
You still need your, what's it called? Okay, we got our ketchup and mustard, and we're gonna go in with ketchup first.
So ketchup on top of the...
Does it smell? Nope.
It's kind of hard to see, so that's probably enough ketchup.
Okay, let's rip it off. Oh, ketchup.
All right, now a little mustard.
Me personally, mustard's not my favorite, but it's your order, so.
It is my order. Ooh, look at that. That's all pretty
Just
good
gonna
looking.
spread it out. Is that good enough for you?
I think it is.
And now we put on the bun, and now that we've I don't know the word.
Concocted it, yeah.
We're going to put it in here with our fries.
And then,
Freshly fried fries.
and then we also have to put a little ketchup on the fries, and then we're going to smash it and mix it all up, right?
Right, okay.
All right, let's get some ketchup ready for those fries.
Time to mix them up.
Fries or burger first?
Fries. Mmm.
So look at that. What does it feel like? Describe the texture.
It feels like breadcrumbs, like I'm squishing breadcrumbs on top of like glossy slime. Ooh, very satisfying. You can't wait to mix this in with the rest of them.
Oh. So, assistant, that's what it would look like in your stomach
What?
after you eat them.
No.
But you don't
say
eat this.
that.
This is slime. I'm just saying, real food kind of mixes
It
up in your
kind of
mouth.
feels like sand almost. Like sand mixed with like slime.
So, like maybe like kinetic sand?
Yeah, kind of like that. Okay, I think it's time for the main course.
Time to mix. Do you wanna like like slam it, or what do you want to do?
I want to go like this. Ready?
Yeah, go.
Whoa!
Look at that.
Oh my goodness, this is huge.
Now, if you didn't mix it up, you could do it over and over again,
Yeah,
I guess.
until it dries out.
I thought it would be really hard to redo the hamburger.
Oh my goodness, look at this. Like plethora of colors. This feels so good. It feels like actually I don't know what it feels like. It feels like really smooth. And there's a mix of this in there from something. I can't
Probably the bread.
figure it out. Oh, maybe like the seeds that were on top of the bread. But look, it's like turning into a marble of colors.
So, sister, this is kind of cool. So, one, it teaches you a little bit about colors and some of the different food groups. It's also a kind of a cool craft, isn't it?
Yeah. And then you could make your slime creation, and then you could get one in real life, just like it.
Now, sister, it's not really sticking to your hands. Is this the kind of slime that kind of makes a mess everywhere?
No, not at all. And it even comes with a storage container.
Oh,
so
wow.
when you're done, you just plop it in there.
So we didn't show any of the packaging. This is the Slime Life Kit, right?
Oh my goodness, this is crazy. The brown's kind of taking over.
It is. Well, you know, when you mix all colors, it all kind of turns to brown.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to mix in this. It feels so cool without it, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, well, thanks for being my first ever customer at my slime food bear thing.
The only challenge is, assistant, I didn't actually eat any food.
Yeah, you have not even touched your
I have not even touched my order, so
Yeah.
No, no, no.
Well, please leave me and Waffles a 5-star review.
Yep. And it will be available shortly on DoorDash. Just kidding. It's not.
Just kidding.
All right. So talk to your parents, and if it's okay with them, they can do what?
So like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Or even ask your parents to do that, right?
Right. Bye.
Bye, everyone.